PVC hoses are everywhere. In agriculture, construction, healthcare, and automotive. Derived from renewable raw materials, our additives serve as lubricants, dispersants, and slip agents. They improve extrusion efficiency, reduce defects, and enhance surface quality. Anti-static protection and excellent pigment dispersion make hoses cleaner, safer, and visually appealing. EBS and stearamide keep extrusion smooth and efficient. Oleamide and erucamide enhance flexibility, surface gloss, and prevent blocking during winding. At TOPWELLGOAL, we supply high-purity fatty acid amides directly from our factory. If you are a PVC hose manufacturer or distributor, partner with us for consistent quality, cost efficiency, and long-term support.